Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to learn how to create a coupon code. What is a coupon code? A coupon code is a unique code that allows your customer or your consumer or your potential lead to get a discount. Yet it's a privilege, okay? So how do you create these coupon codes? With websites like Thinkific, you need to pay a pro plan to create a coupon code, which I think is very bad. I don't like it for that. Website like Udemy, you only get to create about 3 coupons a month, which is also manageable. But with Payhip, you can literally create your coupon code however you want to. That is why I feel like Payhip is the best e-commerce platform ever, because I love them so much. I love them so much. If you're not using Payhip, I don't know what you're using. And so I'll leave a link to Payhip down in the description for you to try out yourself, okay? And so now, how do you create a coupon code with Payhip? Basically, you head on to payhip.com/marketing, as long as you're logged into your account, of course. And then when you click on marketing, obviously it literally shows you coupons. It shows you social discounts, affiliate, mailing lists, cross-selling, referrals, upgrade. Now, I'm only focusing on coupon codes here. And so click add coupon code. It's going to be very easy. And so this is it. Basically, guys, when I saw this and I just struck to my mind, I just thought I have a library of digital products, and how do I sell them? How do I make my more intimate inner circle of people benefit from my large library of digital products? And basically, Payhip solves this problem for you, because you can literally create one coupon code solving everything, like a coupon code 30% discount off of all of your products. Guys, is that that's a base of a good membership site, okay? Every month you change the coupon code so that people keep subscribing to get access to your digital products. Now, you don't need to stress over having to create each month of coupon codes for each product like you would on Udemy, or perhaps even on Thinkific, if I don't even know. So it's very easy on this platform. So you have to set number of time coupon can be used, no limit, coupon delivery. You can say the first 100 people to click on the link get access to my coupon, blah 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 blah. That is it. And never expires. This creates scarcity, and people will want to click on your coupon even more. So it's creating a coupon code for us here, and we've added a coupon code here. Okay, and so this is your coupon, and basically you have people use this coupon anytime they want to buy from your store. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one, and bye bye.